Hello everybody. I have here several defective magnetrons removed from microwave ovens. So we can make good use of their magnets, strong magnets. Here, each one have two magnets. All we have to do is dismantling the metal frame in order to remove the two magnets. Generally, it's not so difficult to do that. All we need is a good screwdriver and a wire cut. Let's get started. Remove the first screw. The other one. And take the first magnet here. Strong magnet. Now we have to pull this heat sink and cut the wires inside. Alright. Here. This is the magnetron itself, the valve. As you can see, it's very easy. Now the two magnets, strong magnets. Okay, my friends, make good use of these strong magnets. That's all for today. Until next time, and please subscribe my channel. Bye.